Hi, boys and girls. Are you ready for some sound fun? We're going to be isolating our final sounds. So we're going to be listening for that last sound in our words. So we need our punchers ready. We're going to say our word and punch out that last sound. Are you ready? Let's begin. Zoom. Zoom. Punch it out. Is our last sound. Wolf. Wolf. Good. Is our last sound. Milk. Milk. Good. K is our last sound. Hope. Hope. Good. P is our last sound. Plane. Plane. Punch out that as our last sound. Vote. Vote. Good. T is our last sound. Last one. Cube. Cube. Good. B was our last sound. Great job, boys and girls. You are sound superstar. You rock.